The last stand of the human voice. Why character voices and impersonations reign supreme in the age of AI. The hum of innovation is a constant undercurrent in our modern world. We see technology transforming our lives in countless ways, and the world of voiceover is no exception. Artificial intelligence has made incredible strides, creating voices that sound eerily human, capable of delivering narration and even engaging in basic dialogue. Yet, as AI continues its sonic ascent, a fascinating trend is emerging. The last bastions of human voiceover artistry are increasingly becoming character voices and celebrity impersonations. Why, in an age of almost perfect digital mimicry, are these vocal niches proving so stubbornly resistant to the AI revolution?
The answer, like a perfectly pitched vocal fry, is layered and complex. While AI can now generate voices with remarkable realism for straightforward reads, the nuances, creativity, and sheer humanity required for compelling character work and convincing celebrity impressions remain a formidable challenge, and often a costly one to even attempt to replicate.
Think about your favorite animated films, video games, or even quirky commercials. The voices that bring these characters to life are more than just words.
While algorithms can certainly generate a range of voices and even apply basic emotional inflections, they often lack the intuitive understanding of character arc, subtext, and comedic timing that a human actor brings to the table. Crafting a truly memorable character voice requires a deep well of creativity, improvisation, and the ability to connect with the material on an emotional level, qualities that are still firmly within the human domain. Training an AI to convincingly portray a grizzled space pirate 1 minute and a bubbly fairy the next, with all the subtle vocal cues that make those characters believable, is a monumental task. The sheer diversity of character archetypes and the bespoke nature of their vocalizations make it an incredibly difficult and computationally expensive endeavor to automate effectively.
Then there are celebrity impersonations. In a world saturated with media, the ability to instantly recognize a famous voice is a powerful tool. From comedic sketches to advertising campaigns, celebrity impersonators lend instant recognition and a touch of familiar charm. But mimicking a celebrity's voice isn't just about getting the pitch and cadence right. It's about capturing their unique vocal quirks, their speaking patterns, their subtle inflections, and the overall essence of their vocal delivery.
Furthermore, legal and ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI to replicate celebrity voices without permission add another layer of complexity and cost. Hiring a skilled human impersonator often becomes a more straightforward and legally sound option.
Even with the rapid advancements in AI voice technology, the cost-effectiveness of duplicating nuanced character work and convincing celebrity impressions remains a significant hurdle. Training AI models to achieve this level of vocal artistry requires vast data sets, significant computational power, and intricate programming. For many projects, the cost and effort involved in perfecting an AI character voice or celebrity impersonation simply outweigh the benefits compared to hiring a skilled human professional.
So, while AI continues to reshape the voiceover landscape, those with a knack for creating unique characters and flawlessly mimicking the famous can breathe a sigh of relief. The human touch, creativity, and inherent understanding of character and personality remain irreplaceable in these specialized vocal niches. For now, the stage belongs to the versatile voice actor, proving that some forms of artistry are still best left in the capable hands and vocal cords of humans.
Oh, and all the voices you just listened to were AI voice clones by 11labs. Even this one, which is mine.